AirClean Systems combination PCR workstations are designed as application solutions for the manipulation and amplification of DNA and RNA. Cross-contamination during amplification of DNA and RNA can lead to inaccurate results. This will cost the lab technician valuable time and consume expensive reagents. The AirClean Systems combination PCR workstations offer a controlled ISO 5 work environment for the amplification of DNA and RNA. By incorporating an AirClean Systems PCR workstation, you improve your odds and reduce the amounts of reagents required to achieve your desired results. The combination PCR workstations are designed and constructed with the application and operator in mind. The application requires the use of shortwave UV energy to sterilize the workspace between amplifications. Shortwave ultraviolet light has been found harmful to humans at certain exposure levels. Inherent protection is designed into the construction of each combination PCR workstation. Polycarbonate is effective in protecting the operator by reflecting shortwave ultraviolet energy during irradiation. The main chamber of the workstation is constructed in a single piece to eliminate potential gaps. Gaps in construction can allow harmful UV energy to escape into the operator work area. The combination PCR workstations are accessed through the front sash. A designed overlap in the front sash prevents UV energy from escaping the chamber during irradiation. AirClean Systems combination PCR workstations are manufactured to ensure the operator is never exposed to harmful UV energy. During irradiation, the front sash must be fully closed for the UV lamp to be activated. Incorporated into the UV-Tect microprocessor is a safety switch that links the microprocessor to the lower front sash. If the front sash is fully closed, then the UV lamp is activated. If the front sash is opened during the irradiation period, the UV-Tec automatically turns the UV lamp off and suspends the timer. This safety feature protects the user from potential exposure to harmful UV energy. The base is an integral part of the AirClean Systems combination PCR workstation. Each base is made of a custom extruded polypropylene blend that not only reflects ultraviolet energy, but also allows for easy cleaning between amplifications. Polypropylene is an ideal construction material for the base since it is impervious to typical cleaning agents as well as it does not absorb moisture. The base has a smooth front lip to provide added comfort for the operator during hours of pipetting. AirClean Systems combination PCR workstations are truly designed with the application and operator in mind. The combination PCR workstation is an application solution designed to provide ISO 5 clean bench work environment with timed UV light for sterilization. The UV-Tect controller is standard on each combination PCR workstation and is a critical part of the solution in preventing cross-contamination during the amplification of DNA and RNA. The combination PCR workstation utilizes a two-stage filtration process. This ensures that all air within the work area is filtered to the ISO 5 clean bench standard. The combination PCR workstation utilizes both a pre-filter and HEPA filter to achieve ISO 5 classification. It should be noted that the combination PCR workstation should not be used with any potentially harmful biological matter. The UV-Tect controller is standard on the 32 and 48-inch wide combination workstations. UV-Tect constantly monitors the effectiveness of the workstation, alerting the operator if the HEPA filter or UV bulb need replacement. UV-Tect automatically turns the blower on and off in relation to the position of the front sash. If the front sash is open, UV-Tect automatically turns the fluorescent light and blower on, providing an ISO 5 work environment. When the operator closes the front sash, UV-Tect automatically turns the blower and fluorescent light off and allows for the UV light to be activated. To activate the UV bulb, simply press the UV light button on the membrane keypad of the UV-Tect microprocessor controller. A digital UV timer is incorporated into the UV-Tect controller, which allows the user to set the irradiation time up to 59 minutes. One of the most important features the UV Tech controller provides is UV bulb monitoring. Each UV bulb has a definable usable life. UV Tech monitors and alerts the operator when the useful life of the bulb has been reached. Replacement of the UV bulb is critical to ensure sterility between amplifications. The UV Tech controller also allows the operator to manually adjust the airflow, accommodating even the most fragile samples. Airflow in the combination PCR workstation can be adjusted to complete absence. A UV shelf with a 4-position pipetter holder and power cord access port are standard features on each AirClean Systems combination PCR workstations. The UV shelf allows for critical items to be placed closer to the UV light for greater exposure to UV irradiation. The combination PCR workstation with UV Tech microprocessor controller is offered in 2 widths, 32 and 48-inch, with a nominal 24-inch depth. AirClean Systems combination PCR workstations allow the operator to create a personal mini cleanroom on the laboratory bench. By incorporating an AirClean Systems combination PCR workstation into your application, you will improve your odds and reduce the amount of reagents required to achieve your desired result the first time. AirClean Systems combination PCR workstations are UL, CSA, and CE certified. AirClean Systems, leading the way in contamination-free workstations for today's and tomorrow's life science research. Contact AirClean Systems for more information on the combination PCR workstations and learn how it can improve your research. We are confident that the AirClean Systems combination PCR workstation will meet and exceed your application requirements.